Okay. Can I come out? Which one?
The one you told me is very sick.
Yes.
He wasn't eating. Oh,
The second last year. And he looks to be like the biggest. It is interesting.
he'll be well. Because yesterday he wasn't eating.
The medicine is working. So it's not one of those diseases that can come and sweep the whole farm at once. This is not reason to worry. Having a moment of silence. Very. I come here. What? I can. Even the locals, do I close or I just come because they need to go out there? The locals, do you buy them or you breed them?
I breed them. I bought once. I bought 5 hens and 1 coop.
5 hens and 1 coop. So in each house, you put about how many cocks? Because cocks don't like being together.
They fight?
Yes.
This one, that. Okay. Kindly mind this.
Okay.
I put 3
cocks.
Because the hens are around 19.
Okay.
Why? Because they said a cock can serve with 6 hens satisfactorily. If it goes beyond 6 or more, so it's best to have 5, sometimes 5. Have 6 hens
for each cock. Do they mark them? Or they don't care?
I've never observed, but I think they share. Because hens are like women. One, they choose who they like.
Oh.
They might like a smaller cock, they might like a bigger cock.
Oh.
Yes. So they just choose.
So
they reject the other one and then like the other one. Reject this one and then like that.
Wow.
And
That's
when they reject,
thing.
hens are very interesting. And when they reject, when they met, whatever it's called, if they have rejected the cock and it forces itself on the hen, they will reject the sperm.
Wow.
And the egg will not be fertilized.
Oh, wow.
Yes, that's why you have to put many.
So they can have a choice. Hey.
So that they can have a choice. And after some time, the cocks become weak.
Oh,
So
after over-fertilizing.
You have to rotate them. That's why you see down there more cocks.
Oh, yeah.
You rotate them, you keep rotating them. So the best product.
Oh, wow. If you insist, me.
Yeah.
The women will have more energy as the man is weak.
Yes.
And then you'll have weak kids.
But also, the other reason they give is because because sometimes a cock may have weak offsprings. And that is all.
So that's the flying. They can fly.
That is the fly.
We have to remind you that we are in the bird species.
Yes, we are still in that era.
So these ones also you feed them twice.
Yes, I feed them twice because I get eggs from them.
These ones are more aggressive. Even in their feeding, you see them giving them food, but still, they are all over the place. They, unlike the broilers, when the food came, they were all like that. Is
organized.
It. Now look
They
at
are
this.
zungus.
These are real locals.
These ones are real
You
locals.
see, but they are like thugs.
They even fight each other.
Yet
the food is there, they keep fighting.
they leave the food and fight. You see them, they're like elders on a table. But still, they are not feed. Food is there. Broilers only start seeing each other after food is over.
Yes.
But these ones are interesting. So these ones are also in the age of laying eggs.
Yes, they like.
They lay within this
But I mixed them. You see there is where I put those that are young. Like you've seen, they are small.
They are they are a bit smaller. Yes.
When I get them from down, I put them here. And then transfer them here. So there are some that haven't yet started laying.
Here.
Here. And then there are some that gave me chicks. Those chicks, so they are recovering from
birth.
There are about 2 that are recovering.
Okay.
Then about 6 that haven't started laying.
So when they lay the eggs, do they lay from those houses there in the corner?
Yes.
Oh.
That is where they go to them.
Okay. They don't harm their own eggs, like poke them with the beaks.
Sometimes they eat them. I beat them. I beat them while showing them what they've eaten, and they stop.
Oh, so you don't.
That's what I use, but others you sell them off. But sometimes they eat them when they have just started laying.
They are or the mother eats
No,
egg.
I've never seen a mother. These are the ones.
How would you know which one ate the eggs? Oh, you beat all of them.
I beat all of them. They're like my children. I beat their legs. So
How about to debeak them?
I tried. The mouth grows back. That neighbor, I have a neighbor, a tenant there, who told me you debeak them. So I debeaked them mouth, grew back, and they ate again. Actually, that batch I sold off after some time. And now starting with these ones.
Okay.
But still, I think if you leave the egg for long, it's there idle. You know, these hens are very active.
Very
They
true.
will always be inquisitive. What is this? So
this?
they'll poke.
And in
Now
the
when they
process,
poke, it goes to the mouth. They
and
see
it tastes
liquid.
like. And then before you know, they look forward to poke some more. So that's why when you know it's laying, you have to know what time it lays so you can remove the egg. Okay. Then when it is time for it to fertilize, do you let it fertilize?
Now, like if you saw, there's one that was in there. That hen is always there. Sometimes it even doesn't want to come out and eat. So that one now has become broody. You know that one is about to start action.
Okay.
Yeah, you watch it, and if it goes beyond 3 days and it's still there, you give it eggs. But I take them downstairs because here it's cold, extremely cold for the chicks.
For them to do the job. Oh, then you can choose which eggs to put.
Yeah, you give them any egg and they'll hatch.
That's interesting.
You give them any egg.
Okay. Then where are the husks? Oh, they turn into
I
like.
removed them yesterday.
You said you did
yesterday. I removed them yesterday.
How many are these ones? Do you know?
These ones about 23 plus the cocks. 23 plus the cocks.
The cocks are 3.
Yeah, the cocks are 3.
And the females are 20. About 20.
Females are about 20.
Okay. That's interesting. Looks like black is the best color here.
No, auntie, they are mothers. The one who sold me locals in the beginning sold me black.
So it became the best color.
And when they sold you that, they sell you that is what
The babies
dominates.
end up. They take more mommy than the daddy.
Yes. I want to take
The one that came, it was one fighting already after its arrival. Let it go back and show power that side. And it seems to be the smallest, the other side. But here it is showing off. It is bringing bad manners. You can't fight from there. Bambi, the one who is tallest here was the one fighting it off.
And this one I had also put it here, but then I realized it wasn't eating well, so I brought it back.
It is not fighting these ones. Only the other one that came and started disturbing it. Okay. Oh, these ones are babies for them.
Yes, they are babies.
Okay.